Good morning, children. This is Nagesh Kumar, Faculty of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about the lesson 1 in 6th class. So, in 6th class, the lesson name is Knowing Our Numbers. Before you are going to learn about this lesson, we will go with some introduction part. So, coming to the introduction, when you enter a shop, you purchase some of the items. Suppose you purchase 1 kg apples. How many apples you will get in 1 kg? You will get 5 apples or 6 apples. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a leap year? There are 366 days are there in a leap year. What is your mobile number? Suppose if it is your land number, you will tell a 6-digit number. 224848 like that. So all these will be related with the numbers only. So our topic is knowing our numbers. Our topic is knowing our numbers. This is the lesson 1 in your maths textbook. So coming to before you are going to the lesson, another introduction part under some more topics. That is successor. What is called as a successor? What is known as a successor? What is called as a successor? What is called as a successor? The number which will comes after the given number is called as a successor. Any number you can take the number what will comes after the given number. The number comes after the given number is called as a successor. So if we take one example, we are taking one example 4834. We have to find the successor for this 4834. Any number you can take. We are taking here 4-digit number 4834. What is the successor of 4834? So 4834 according to the definition. What is given? The number comes after the given number. The number which will comes after the given number. The number what is here? 4834. What will comes after 4834 is 4834. After what will comes? 5. What is the successor of 4834? The successor of 4834 is 4835. And also it can also be written as the successor of 4834 is add 1 for the given number. 4 plus 1 is 5, 3, 4, 8, 4. The successor of 4834 is 4835. Successor means what? Successor means the number which will comes after the given number, or if we add 1 to the given number is called as a successor. The number here what the number we taken 4834 plus 1 is 4835. Successor means we have to add 1 to the given number. It's called as a successor. So, what is known as a successor? The number which will comes after the given number is called as a successor. And now, the opposite for the successor is predecessor. Predecessor. The opposite for the successor is predecessor. So, here in the successor, what is the definition of the successor? The number comes after the given number is called as a successor. So, what is the opposite for after, before? So, the number which comes before the given number. The number which comes before the given number is called as a predecessor. The number which comes before the given number is called as a predecessor. The number which comes before the given number. Any number you can take. We are taking here one more example here. Here we take 4-digit number. Any number you can take. Either 4-digit number, 5-digit number. So we are taking 5-digit number. 3, 4, 8, 4, 1 we are taking here. This is the 5-digit number. So what is the predecessor of 3, 4, 8, 4, 1? What we told the number which comes before the given number. What is the given number here? 3, 4, 8, 4, 1. So before number what we have to find now. So 3, 4, 8, 4, 1. before number is the predecessor. So the before number is 3, 4, 8, 4. 41 before what will comes? 40. 41 before what the number will comes? It is 40. So the predecessor of 3, 4, 8, 4, 1 is 3, 4, 8, 4, 0. In other way also you can find. Here for finding the successor, we done addition. What is the opposite for addition? Subtraction. So 3, 4, 8, 4, 1. Here we done the addition to find the successor. Now we have to do addition, opposite is subtraction. So do subtraction. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 4, 8, 4, 3. So the predecessor of 3, 4, 8, 4, 1 is 3, 4, 8, 4, 0. So what are the two topics we discussed already? Successor and predecessor. Successor means what? The number, you can take any number. If we add 1 to the given number, you get successor. Or the number which comes after the given number is called as a successor. And coming to the predecessor, the opposite for the successor is a predecessor. What is known as a predecessor? The number which comes before the given number is called as a predecessor. Predecessor means minus 1. Predecessor means minus 1. Now coming to the other topic, it is expanded form. Expanded form. This is a expanded form. Expanding. Expanding means what? Make it separate. Make it separate according to the place values. Make it separate according to the place. Now also you can take any number, not only single digit, 2 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit. Any number you can take. You can take 10 digit number also. So one number you can take. We are taking one number. So we are expanding. Suppose I take in 4, 8, 9, 8. I take it here 4, 8, 9, 8. It is a 4 digit number. Before you are expanding the number, you have to write the place values. Here what is the number here? 8, 9, 8, 4. 8, 9, 8, 4. So here ones digit, tens digit, hundreds digit, and thousands digit. O means ones, T means tens, H means hundreds, TH means thousands. Here how many thousands are there? Here we have to identify how many thousands are there, how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there, and how many ones are there. Here how many thousands are there? Here you see thousands are 4. How many thousands are there? 4 thousands. And how many hundreds are there here? 8 hundreds. And how many tens are there here? 9 tens. And how many ones are there? 8 ones. Ones are 8. Here again come back. How many thousands are there? 4 thousands. How many hundreds are there? 8 hundreds. How many ones are? How many tens are there? 9 tens. How many ones are there? 8 ones. So 1 into 4, no need to do with 1000 table. Take it only 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 3 zeros. And then you can take 1 into 8, 8. 2 zeros. And then 1 into 9, 9. 0. 1 into 8 is 8. What is the expanded form of 4, 8, 9, 8? How many thousands are there? 4,000. 4,000. How many hundreds are there? 8. So 8 hundreds. How many tens are there? 9. So 9 tens are 90. How many ones are there? 8. 8 ones are 8. So the expanded form of 4, 8, 9, 8 is 4,000 plus 800 plus 90 plus 8. Here we taken 4 digit number. So we are taking 5 digit number we will take and discuss. So another number we are taking. Suppose we are taking 3, 2, 4, 9, 6. As you know that this is a 5 digit number. Before writing into expanded form, you have to write how many ones are there, tens and everything. So you will see here it is ones digit, it is tens digit, it is 100 digit, it is thousands digit, and it is 10,000 digit. What is the extra place value came? 10,000 digits came. Here it is a 4 digit number, so we stopped up to thousands. Here it is a 5 digit number, so we taken up to 10,000s. Suppose there are 6 digit number is there, then we have to go with the next place value, that is lakhs. So here we will separate it again. How many 10,000s are there? We will write 10,000. How many 10,000s are there here? 3. 10,000s are 3. How many thousands are there? 2. There are 2,000. And how many hundreds are there? How many ones are there? Ones are 6. So you can again want to do with the 10,000 table. Directly you do with 1 3 are no, 1 3 are 3, 1 3 are 3. And how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 zeros. 4 zeros. And 1 into 2 is 2. How many zeros are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. And 1 into 4 is 4. 100. And 1 into 9 is 9. 0. 1 into 6 is 6. This is the expanded form. See, 3 to 496 we taken. How many thousand? 10,000 are there? 3. So 3 into 10,000 is 30,000. And how many thousands are there? 2,000. 2 into 1,000 is 2,000. Plus, how many hundreds are there? 4. 4 into 100, 400. How many tens are there? 9. 9 into 10, 90. Plus, how many ones are there? 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. So this is the expanded form of this number 32496. So this is these are some of the examples. And one more topic, expanded form is we are separating. Now the opposite for the expanded form is short form. Short form. How to write the short form? Short form means the question will be given in expanded. We have to separate in the sort out and write according to the place values. According to the place value. So now we will take one example for the short form. How to write the short form? Now we will see. This is an example what we are giving now here is an example for the short form. See the example for the short form. We are taking one of the example for example. So we are writing how to find it. Short form. First example we are taking. I am taking as this is the one example. 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 7. Again repeat. 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus. This is the example we are taking. So see the question again. So here what is the highest place value? What is the highest place value here? See what is the highest place value is 10,000. Here 4,000. Here 300. Here 70. And so what is the highest place value? Here 10,000 is the highest place value. And how many digits are there here? 5 digits. See here only one single digit. Here 2 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit number. So we have to write up to 5 place values. This is the short form. First of all, write the place values ones and tens, hundreds, thousands, and thousands. Why we wrote up to 10,000? Highest place value 10,000 place. So make it after making separate. Here we have to add all the ones digits. All the ones digits. Here what is the ones digit here? 7. What is the ones digit here? 0. What is the ones digit here? 0. Here what is the ones digit? 0. Here ones digit is 0. So add 7 for all the 0. 7 plus 0 7. 7 plus 0 7 plus 0 7 plus 0 7. So one's place value is 7 only. One's place value is 7. And coming to the tens digit. One's digit all over, addition over. So coming to the tens digit. Here what is the tens digit is 7. Now we add all the tens digit in this number. In this given number, add all the tens digit. Your tens digit is 7. Here tens digit is 0. Here tens digit is 0. Here tens digit is 0. So you add 7 to all. You will get 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 will get 7. 10 digit is 7. Now coming to the hundreds digit. What is the hundred digit here? 3. What is the hundred digit? 3. What is the hundred digit here? 0. What is the hundred digit there? 0. What is the hundred digit here? 0. So 3 plus 0 plus 0. 3. Up to 100 digit is over. Now going to the thousands digit. What is the thousand here? Here any thousand digit? No. Here thousand digit is there? No. Here thousand digit is there? No. Here thousand digit what? 4. Here what is the thousand digit? 0. coming to the all the digits are over here. 1 digit is over, 10 digit over, 100 digit over, 1000 digit over. Now 10,000 digit. How many? What is the 10,000 digit is there here? 1. So only one only. How many 10,000 digits is there? Only one. There is no other number having 10,000 digits. So the expanded form here it is given as expand. The number is given in expanded form. 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 7. It is given as expanded form. And when you are writing in short form, the expanded form to short form, when you are writing in expanded form to short form, you have to place the values according to the digits, according to the place where you have to place the values. See here, we write how many one there, one digit is there 7, so 7, 10 digit is 7, hundreds, how many hundreds are 3, 4,000 and 10,000. Finally, what is the final answer? 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 70 plus 7. The final answer is 14377. 14377. So the answer is 14,377. The short form for 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 7 is 14,377. The another important topic. So we learn 4 topics: successor, predecessor, short form, and expanded form. What is successor? If a number is given, any number will be given. If we add 1 to the given number, it is called a successor. If you subtract 1 from the given number, it is a predecessor. Expanded form, coming to the expanded form, make it separate. So writing in expanding according to the place values is called an expanded form. Short form, keeping adding all places, all the numbers and keeping it according to the place values is called as a short form. Now another important point, another important thing is place value. Place value, finding the place value, finding the place value, finding the place value. So what is known as a place value? What is called as a place value? So what the definition of place value? The multiplication or the product of a number and the place is a place value. We will take one example, then we will discuss. 48943. I asked you, what is the place value of 9? The place value of 9 we want. Before we are finding the place values, you have to write the places 1's digit, 10's digit, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. How many 10,000s are there here? 4. How many thousands? 8. How many hundreds? 9. How many tens? 4. How many ones? 3. So, what is the place value of 9? Place value of 9. We want the place value of 9. So, place value of 9. Here, what is the place value of 9 we want? You see that 9 is in hundreds place. 9 is in hundreds place. 9 is in hundreds place. So, the value is 9 ones are 9 and 2 zeros. So the answer is 900. The place value of 9 is 900. So I asked you the place value of 4. Place value of 4 is equal to place value of 4 you want, then 4 into place value of 4 is place value of 4 is in 10,000 place. So 4 ones are 4. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the place value of 4 is 40,000. Place value of 4 is 40,000. So we want, suppose you want place value of 8. What is the place value of 8? You see that 8 is in thousands place. 8 is in thousands place. 8 into 8 is in thousands place. So 8 into 1000 is equal to 8,000. 8 is in thousands place, so 8,000. So the place value of 9. The place value of 9. 9 is in hundreds place. 900 is equal to 900. The place value of 4. 4 into 10,000 is equal to 40,000. So much 8 in thousands place. 8 8,000. So the baseline is over. So then we will discuss about face value. So in the next topic,
20 minutes అయిపోయింది.